Do you know that you don't have to be a citizen of US once making money from that particular country? If you want to know how, kindly consider to follow me from the beginning to the end to understand how you can make money from the US with just your mobile phone. And the way we are going to do it is we are going to invest in some of the big companies that you use day in, day out, right? And some of those companies are Google, Nvidia, Microsoft. Name them, any of these companies. If you want to invest in them, we are just going to use a simple app. So kindly follow through. Let me show you the step-by-step process in actually to use this particular app to go and invest in any of the companies with just $10 or more, right? The app we are going to use is going to be Bamboo app. So please kindly consider to subscribe, and also don't forget to hit on the like button for a lot of people to benefit from this video. After then, go to your Apple App Store or Google Play Store and download Bamboo app, right? Bamboo app. So it's a green app. Once you are done downloading it, sign up with the app and log in into the app, right? If you log in into the app, this is how you can invest in any of the companies I've mentioned with Bamboo, right? So first thing first for you to do is for you to actually deposit money into this particular app, right? You can deposit money using that of your US wallet, or you can use that of your mobile money wallet, depending on where you are. You can also use this app if you are a Nigerian in order to invest in the US stock exchange market, right? So click on add money. Once you click on add money, you see that there's a USD wallet, there's also a Ghanaian wallet. Click on that of the US wallet, then input the amount of money you want to deposit. I want us to deposit just $10, so I'll change it to the USD so that we can know that we are depositing only $10. But if you input the $10, they will give you the Ghana cedis equivalent, right? So you see the 118 cedis as Ghana cedis equivalent. So with just 118 cedis, you can invest in the US stock exchange. So click on deposit. Once you click on deposit, you see all the payment method, right? You see the CD, you also see direct bank transfer and many other options, right? We are going to use the mobile money in order to do this particular process. So click on the CD or the mobile money deposit. Once it comes, it will load. You just input the number, put in your payment number, right? So if you put in your payment number, automatically the payment network comes. So just input confirm. So once it comes, you confirm the amount of money you want to deposit, right? If you confirm the amount of money you want to deposit, just confirm, right? So if you confirm, it will come successfully deposited. You see the message successfully deposited. So the next thing for us to do is actually to start buying the stocks, right? So if you look at the app, you see the interface at the bottom. You see invest, pause, learn. You can use this app for all of those apps. And one thing I like about this app is you can learn, or you can start learning how to invest before you start investing in any stock. So it will come, how do you buy stock, how to fund, right? And also you can use it to learn about the US stock exchange, right? You can use it to learn about what is the 52 weeks high, the 52 weeks low, what is buy price. All of them you can use it to understand before you invest. So let's go into how to invest. Click on invest, and when you go to invest, you see Apple, you see Amazon, you see Nvidia, like you see Alphabet, you see Meta, you see Microsoft, you see Netflix, you see Net Power, right? Spotify. So let's buy Shopify, right? Just click on Shopify. So when Shopify opens, the amount of money you want to buy, just click on buy, and once it comes, we have three different orders here. We have buy now, we have limit order, also we have stop order. But I'm going to use the buy now, right? And also the limit order, you can also use it to buy any stock. What this simple means is that with the buy now, we are just going into the current market price. So once you place an order, any amount of money they get on the particular stock, they just execute. But the limit order, you are given a specific order, right? At this price, I want to buy Shopify at this particular price. So if they don't get that particular price, they are not executing that particular order for you. So let's click on buy now. Once you click on buy now, the next thing for you to do is for you to input the amount of money you want to actually buy, right? Just input the amount. So I said we are going to use $10 in actually to buy this particular stock. So click on review. Once it comes review, you see that amount of money, $10. You just click on place order, right? So once you click on place order, it will become sending. In some few minutes, the order will get executed, right? when the order get executed, purchase successful. So from here you can now start enjoying your kudi, right? From here the stock will start performing for you. If the stock is doing very well, you also benefit from it. But you just have to make your mind and be depositing some money as time goes on, or day in day out, and be buying this particular stock or maybe any other stock. But before you invest in any stock, make sure you do your due diligence behind the stock. Research into the stock, know what the stock is into, what are their financials. Ask the relevant questions in that of the stock, right, before you invest your money into them, right? My name is Sam Dawe. I'll be having a masterclass coming up to take beginners and also those who are already into the market to understand how to invest in the US stock exchange, how to invest in that of the Ghana stock exchange, and also what are the strategies we use to invest. What are some of the things you need to see in a stock before you invest? And also, before you buy a stock, is the stock price fair? Is it overpriced or underpriced? All these things will cover it in that of the stock market class coming up next month, right? So you want to join us in order not to miss out this particular stock market class. Please kindly consider to subscribe, and also don't forget to hit on the like button so that a lot of people will benefit from this particular video. Cheers out.